This is Dr. Kareen Riviere with Women of Leadership First. Today, I would like to speak to you about empowerment. What is empowerment? To me, empowerment is about releasing that innate power and ability that we all hold within ourselves to make positive, impactful choices concerning ourselves and others in our community. We can empower ourselves and others by taking the initiative to encourage and give honest, constructive feedback in a way that enables us and others to think positively, make informed decisions, boost self-esteem and confidence, and grow personally. To empower yourself and others to transcend any situation, first, allow yourself to think positively. Remove any seeds of doubt or seek help from friends, loved ones, and trusted leaders to gain self-confidence. Second, encourage yourself and others to believe that you and they have the ability to make the best choices. Lastly, enable yourself and others to seek out resources and advice from trusted sources that will lead to making well-informed decisions. I believe that to be a great leader at home, work, school, and in our community, one has to empower themselves and others. Be the source of empowerment for yourself and others so that we all can make positive life choices and lead happy and healthy lives. Empower yourself and others today, and you will impact tomorrow.